Juliet, I'm not sure I can do this. Just being ahead.
But there's a lot of cool things about being ahead. First of all, I can put you in a bag and sneak you into movies for free.
That hardly makes up for...
Carpal tunnel syndrome? You're immune. And it's totally cool. I'm like the only girl with a decapitated head for a boyfriend.
I don't want to be a fashion accessory, Juliet. This is my life. Is that rain?
Uh-oh.
What do we care for bread and circuses? The man thinks suffering is a shame.
Lots of tasty treats for you here, eh, your meal?
Give the more to me. I'm sure he
I'm guessing a giant floating Viking ship is not a good thing.
Another dark purveyor. Oh my gosh. That's my big sister, Cordelia.
Who?
My big sister, Cordelia. She's a zombie hunter, too.
Really?
Hey! Cordelia! Can you hear me? Hey! What's up, Juliet?
Hey, Cordelia! What's up?
See you in a few! Right now, I'm gonna go kick some zombie ass! Oh yeah! I almost forgot! Happy birthday! Can't hear you! Happy birthday!
God, I'm happy I don't have a bladder. Otherwise I'd be pissing myself right now.
Hi, Mom. Mom, it's the deets. Make the difference between mean. When I was your age, I was cursing entire kingdoms. Walk with me. See, I'm just trying to teach you the thing that really counts. How to be me. I know that, and I'll do better.